Welcome to Bohol, Philippines, home to surreal landscapes. Tiniest primates, epic road trips, amazing waterfalls, and unforgettable wildlife encounters. This is one of the most exciting islands we've explored in the Philippines. Now let's go and explore Bohol.
First time in Bohol, sir?
First time here, yes, in Bohol. Yeah. This is what Bohol is famous for, the chocolate hills. Over 1,200 of these perfectly rounded mounds turning brown in dry season. These hills are bizarre in the best way. You have to see it to believe it. Up next, we visit the Philippine Tarsier Sanctuary. These little guys are some of the smallest primates on Earth. They're endangered, so it's awesome to see them protected here. One of the best ways to explore Bohol is by moped. The roads are open, the views are unreal, and it's just pure freedom.
Be careful.
We took a short trip to the coastal town of Lila in the south of Bohol for a chance to swim with the whale sharks. It was surreal, being so close to these gentle giants. While in Bohol, we stayed at Banyan Villa in Panglao. And it was a perfect home base for this trip. Peaceful, surrounded by nature, and just a short ride from the beach and local towns. This place had serious tropical hideaway vibes. It had a pool, lush gardens, and felt super private. Perfect after a day of exploring. We explored the town of Loboc and stumbled upon some of the best street food. The locals call it carinderia. The selection of local food were insane. We wanted to try it all.
This is beautiful chicken.
We didn't stop there. We spotted a street cart and had to give it a try. We also stopped by a bakery to get more snacks. course, we also had to try the grilled bananas. Mmm, that was a great treat.
Hello.
After a hot day, we took the moped for a spin and drove up into the mountains in search of a hidden waterfall. The road wound through small villages with colorful houses and dirt paths. We parked and met with our local guide and followed him to a narrow trail down through the jungle. The hike was steep, but worth it. When the waterfall finally came into view, it felt like we'd found a hidden gem. We couldn't help but to take a dip in the water. The water was refreshing and oh so worth it. From landscapes that feel like another world to creatures you won't find anywhere else. Bohol has quietly become one of our favorite places in the Philippines. Here, every path leads to wonder. Whether you're chasing waterfalls or simply chasing a feeling, this is where you'll find it. Every island has its rhythm, but Bohol is something different. Gentle, welcoming, full of heart. It's not just the meals or the hills that make it unforgettable. It's the people, the ones who smile like they've known you forever. Travel reminds us the greatest adventures aren't always about new places. Sometimes they're about rediscovering ourselves along the way. So wherever your journey takes you next, slow down, breathe it in, and let the world surprise you. Bohol left such a great impression, we know we will be coming back. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.